Hi, Viva Angels. It's Liz and Sam here.
Hello.
Today we are going to talk about cleansing wipes. So make sure you stay tuned and see what our thoughts are on these.
We got plenty of thoughts.
Your favorite estheticians talking all things skincare. Hey Viva Angels, it's Lizzie and Sam here. Today we are talking about cleansing wipes. We get asked this a lot in our treatment rooms, how these are, if they should use them, if they shouldn't use them.
Some people don't ask. They just say, oh, well, I take off my makeup with this, and on and on and on and on. And Lizzie actually found a really good article that we were looking at and reading.
Yes, so I will put that in the link below. It's by Glamour Magazine from the UK. It's really, really interesting, and they actually break it down really easy for everybody to kind of understand. But we just wanted to go over a couple of the different points about these. The biggest thing for me, I think, is not only the ingredients, but the way that we're using our cleansing wipes. I think that it definitely causes more issues than anything, and it's really the user. We're scrubbing underneath our eyes, so we're causing all these unnecessary wrinkles and whatever else.
Inflammation and redness.
Yes, because we're scrubbing, and the makeup's not coming off. We're scrubbing our lips, and it's just, I think it's really more the user than it is so much the wipe. But on top of that, it's the ingredients. It's bad for the environment because think of how much you're wasting with this.
Throwaways.
Yeah.
Everything that's going to the landfills.
So we think about that a lot too. And then there are some other issues.
Yeah, because like you were saying, with all the roughness that people have, like they think they need to like scrub the life out of their skin and just get it. The harder they scrub, the better their skin's gonna look.
Yeah.
And we're seeing a lot of difference in texture. So when we're looking at things, especially like with our magnifying lamp or with the Visia scanner, and we can actually show people what we're looking at, so that really helps drive that point home. But we're looking at the difference in the texture, and these are some really young people, 20-year-old skin, and we're seeing all of this change in the skin, and it's just not pretty. It's not, you don't have that vibrant, bright, glowy, healthy looking skin. And you're doing it to yourself. Most of our patients are. And I think the other thing too is people think, and some of these I think are labeled to where you don't need, there's no water needed, or you wipe off your face and you're done, like that's your cleansing, and that's step one.
Go to bed now, girl.
It's just like washing a dirty window. If you're washing that window with the same cloth and you just go over it a few times and it looks good, is it really clean? I mean, you're still going to have a film. You're still going to have residue. And we want to make sure that we're getting everything off when we're cleansing. All of your makeup, all of your dead skin cells and oil and dirt and, all of that. And I don't think if you're just using a cleansing cloth, that's not enough.
And those ingredients aren't really necessarily for your skin type and my skin type. So we could be going backwards with using the wrong ingredients on my skin type and yours.
Yeah,
so
which could lead to more irritation and more issues with the skin.
Acne and whatever.
Yeah.
So my favorite pre-cleanser, and I don't know about yours, is the Avens.
Yeah, I really like those.
Yeah.
And I tend to give those to just about anybody. That one's
Pretty much
good.
anybody.
That one's good for most
our
skin
acne
types.
girls, but I think that the Aven pre-cleanser is really nice to kind of get all your makeup off, because that's the other question we get is, if we can't use these, what do you recommend? So that would be my recommendation.
Yeah. And
it's a good price point.
Yeah, it is a good price point, but just really cleansing, like for real cleansing the skin. And, I even have some acne girls that they really like to start. They like still that full coverage makeup.
Yeah.
And I'll give them the Aven cleansing oil to get it off. But then they've got their acne cleanser.
Their actual cleanser.
And then they'll follow up with that.
Yeah.
And so they're making sure all of the oils are coming off, and they're getting that salicylic or whatever ingredient we need them to have for that acneic type skin type.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so that was our thoughts on it. Sorry. But yeah, so make sure you read that article by Glamour Magazine. It's really, really good.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah.
I liked it. It broke it down really well.
Broke it down, girl. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you share the love, share our video, and like us. And also hit the little bell, too, so that you know when we have new videos.
There's a bell up there?
There's a bell somewhere. But all new videos are usually every Tuesday, unless we have something crazy going on. But, but we're back in action.
Yay!
We're taking any recommendations.
Do it.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like our channel. All new videos every Tuesday.